So we're going to do this demonstration of how a Filtermist oil mist collector works. So if we pretend that this is a machine tool enclosure, so the coolant is sprayed at very high speeds and high pressures when you're machining, and then the coolant atomizes into a mist, which can be dangerous if it's breathed in. It can make floors slippy, it's a health risk, it's a fire hazard. So we need to remove that mist from the air. So the Filtermist unit basically draws in the contaminated air. It uses centrifugal impaction to separate the mist from the air, and then oil is returned for collection or disposal, can be reused if you want to, and then clean air comes out of the top. So it ensures that workplaces are clean and safe places to work. Right, so the Filtermist unit has a perforated drum inside with specially developed drum pads and vanes. The drum spins round, it's driven by a motor, it spins round at very high speeds, and this centrifugal impaction actually forces the mist up into the top of the unit, where it coalesces back into a liquid. It separates out from the air. The liquid then drains down the oil return hose, and then the clean air comes out of the top. So the liquid which is returned can be collected, it can be reused, or it can be safely disposed of. So we've just literally developed a new energy-saving product to reduce the amount of energy which our Filtermist units use. So this is called F-Save. This has been developed by our in-house team of engineers. And F-Save basically has a sensor which connects to the coolant pump of the machine tool. And this sensor actually senses when the machine tool is working. So if the machine tool is on, this sends a message to the F-Save hub, which then activates the Filtermist oil mist collector to start working, so that every time the machine tool is running, we know that the Filtermist is working and it's protecting workers from exposure to oil mist particles. If the sensor then senses that the coolant pump has stopped running, productivity has stopped, it then switches the oil mist filter off so that it's not running if it's not needed. So obviously this is reducing the amount of energy that's used and therefore saving customers money. And so F-Monitor 2, this has been developed so that people can see that the Filtermist unit is working as it's intended to. It uses a traffic light system. It measures the air, the time that the Filtermist unit has been running, so whether it needs a service or not. It can also monitor vibration and temperature if the customer requires that. It uses a traffic light system, as I said, so if it's green, everything is fine. The Filtermist unit is working as it's intended. If it turns orange, there's something needs attention. If it's red, there's a problem. It means there could be a blockage in the ducting, or the oil mist, the after filter might be blocked. So the machine tool operator needs to flag that with his manager. Just makes it easy.